Hey guys, guess what I have? I have the Cricut Bright 360 floor lamp with me today. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this lamp. We're also going to make a quick project today using the lamp. Cricut designed this for us to see more and do more with our crafts. This LED Cricut Bright 360 lamp pivots, rotates, and glides with ease with a gentle push of your hand. It also illuminates your entire workspace. The big broad head evenly lights up to 4 square feet of your work area. The back of the box says, "Light your way, sleek, elegant sliders make it easy to control the light temperature and brightness." There are 2 sliders that controls the brightness and temperature. The temperature can change from warm white to daylight. The floor lamp will go up to 3000 lux. The lamp will give you cast ideal natural light for pro-looking photos. It is a long-lasting LED light. It also gives you less eye strain. You will also see rich, accurate colors, see colors in their truest form with an exceptionally high 95 CRI. This is a huge deal for me. I'm going to unbox this and show you guys everything that it comes with. The lamp comes in 3 different parts. This is the head, and this is the stem. This is the quick start guide and the power adapter cord behind it. It also comes with 1-year warranty, and this is the base. Now I'm going to go ahead and assemble this. Assembly is so simple. In fact, you don't need any tools. All you need to do is insert the lamp stem into the base during assembly. You'll hear a small click which indicates the parts are securely fastened together. Here's my power adapter and cord. I'm going to go ahead and insert it to my wall outlet and insert it to the stem. As soon as I turned the light on, I had no idea it was going to be this bright. It's perfect for any project, whether it's scrapbooking, sewing, jewelry making, weeding, vinyl, photography, and so much more. As you can see, this lamp is so flexible. I am moving it all around. It pivots, it rotates, and it goes at a 360-degree angle. The amazing thing about this lamp is that it has been tested to last over 400,000 hours. You don't need to worry about changing the LED bulbs. They are not replaceable, and the light does not get hot. I do want to mention that I do not have a big area to work with. That's why I chose the floor model. The handle sticks out, so I need space between my wall and desk for it to move around. If you are deciding to get a lamp or not, the best way to choose is by thinking about the space where your lamp is going to be. I am now playing with the sliders. This one is to adjust the warm temperature to cold temperature, and this one adjusts the brightness of the light. I love the options this lamp has because I do like to take product photos, and it's very important to me. I also like how sturdy this lamp is. This head is so heavy. Now that we covered the basics, I am going to go ahead and create a quick project. Okay, you guys, this is the lighting in my room without the lamp. It is awful. I'm going to turn the lamp on, and we're going to look at the difference. This is the warm white setting, and this one's the daylight. I can already tell this makes a huge difference. I can see the lines in my white vinyl, which normally it is hard to tell where the cuts are. I am now extremely excited to work late nights with this lamp. It makes it so much easier for me to see, especially when my kids are sleeping. I am here alone in the dark with a bright light. I have tried several lights, you guys, but I must say this one is probably the best. I'm curious, do you guys already have a lamp you love? Are you saving up for a Cricut lamp, or do you already have one? If you do, which one did you choose? Let me know in the comments down below. I know the price isn't for everyone, and I completely get it. You can find the 360 floor lamp model and the desk model on Amazon or Cricut, as well as Michael's and Joann's. The table lamp retails for $199, and the floor lamp retails for $247. Keep in mind this is only Canadian and USA only. I do have everything linked in my description down below. I just finished my project with this amazing light. I had a great time with you guys. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in looking at more videos like this, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in a few days.